Today, come box a wreath with me. I'm taking this box and stamping my logo on the sides of the box. This is your standard 18-inch grapevine that I have made a beautiful tulip design on. I'm going to take this box. It's an 18 by 18 by 6-inch box. You really just want that to fit snugly around your wreath, so use the box size appropriate. Here I'm going to take a screwdriver and I'm just poking 2 holes in each corner of the inside flaps, not going all the way outside of the box here. And then I'll go back and make them a little bit bigger for my chenille stems so I can pull them up through those holes. I lay down my wreath and flip out my ribbon tails, and then I'm going to stick some bubble wrap inside my loops to keep them fluffy. You can use tissue paper, packing paper. I use both. And then I will just go ahead and continue making my tails pretty. You want this to be really beautiful when it gets opened, so it's that wow effect when they first see it, right? And then you'll see that my chenille stems are pulled up and tied around my wreath to keep it secure to the box. These are hot pink. After I did this video, I did start using chenille stems that are a different color than the wreath, so they're easier to see. You'll see I put in some packing paper around each of the 4 corners, and sometimes I'll throw it in the middle of the wreath as well. Top it off with lots of bubble wrap. If you've got designs inside your wreath, you definitely want to wrap those as well. And then we will throw on some tissue paper on top. I love using purple. Put your invoice on top here. I've blurred it out so you can't see all the information. We'll go ahead and tape up this box, throw on some fragile stickers. Again, you see my business logo there. We'll put on the label, and then it's really simple. I just put in a request for pickup off my porch, and it's off to my customer. I also have a video on how to ship candlesticks if you'd like to check that out. Thanks so much for watching. This is Jamie with Steps and Things by JD.